Boom. Hey everybody, Abner Reviews here, and we are about to unbox another NERF gun right here. So today we have the NERF Rukkus ICS-8. So there's the NERF branding right there, and the NERF branding on our NERF gun right there as well. Of course, this is for ages 8 and up. That's the name right there, Rukkus ICS-8. And this is part of the N-Strike Elite category right here. So that is how our NERF gun today looks like. There's the gun grip right here, a trigger. I think this is the pump action loader right here. We have an indexing clip right here, and this is our barrel, and that's our sight or scope. It comes with 8x Elite NERF darts. So let's continue with our unboxing. So this is our NERF gun right here, and it comes with 8 Elite NERF darts right here. Right here, guys. Perfect. This is really a unique looking NERF gun right here, the Rukkus ICS-8. We have the gun grip right here. There's an Elite branding right here, just on top of the gun grip, and of course our NERF branding right there. So this is our grayed out trigger right there. This would be our pump action loader right here. So this is how we arm the gun. So on top we have our branding for the NERF gun. That's the Rukkus ICS-8, and this is also our scope right here. And this one is part of our indexing clip. As you can see here, this is where we load our Elite NERF darts right there. That is our indexing clip. So we load the darts directly on the front of the clip right there. So this clip goes up here. Let me just show you. So every time you fire, it should go up like that. Push it back down, that's how it looks. It looks like you can grip from it as part of the gun. So this one is our barrel right here. So this is where our NERF darts would come out from the gun. I know it looks like 3 darts would come out at a time, but no, it's just a single dart every pump load action right here. That is a very unique looking barrel right there. So on the other side of the gun, you see the branding again for the Rukkus ICS-8 right there, and that's how it looks for the rest of our NERF gun right there. So let me show you quickly how we load our indexing clip right here. And there we go. So all our 8 Elite NERF darts that came with our NERF gun now loaded on our indexing clip right here. Perfect. So how to use and fire our NERF gun right here. On top of the gun right there, that is our pump action loader right here. So to arm the gun, we use the pump action loader right here. Make sure that the indexing clip is at the top end of it. That is the first stage of the indexing clip going through our Rukkus ICS-8. So to arm the gun, you need to pull the pump action loader backwards and then put it back forward, like so. So pay close attention to our indexing clip right there. When we load our gun, it should move up to cue the dart that we are firing. So pull this back and then push it forward. So there. Our indexing clip right here clicked one time upwards. So that makes our firing dart right there, the first one on top, lined up for firing. So all we need to do is pull on our trigger right here to launch our Elite NERF dart. Ready? And there we go. That's how we fire our Rukkus ICS-8. So let's do that again. Pull this back and then you push it forward one time.
Perfect.
So there you go. Ready? So that is how you fire our NERF Rukkus ICS-8. Okay, so for measurements, this gun is long, so that's 34 cm in length, and width this is about 14 cm right there. So that's 34 by 14 cm right there. So now let's go to our firing test. So there you go, guys, with our Rukkus ICS-8. It was really a lot of fun using this NERF while blasting our targets earlier, right? I really had a lot of fun there, and it is surprisingly satisfying using the pump action loader right here to drive our indexing clip containing our darts right there. It's unique. It has a unique design, unique pump action loader. Unique indexing clip right here. Which NERF guns do you use, guys? Please comment them down below, okay? So please share with us which NERF guns you are currently using and which ones do you have on your collection. So there you go, guys. Hope you liked our NERF gun for today. Please do not forget that we are still on our 3,500 subscribers giveaway. For more info on that, check the link right here and on our video description. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Click the notification bell right here. Select all so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our NERF gun reviews right here. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.